Catherine. Today I'm very happy to be here to talk about something about digital machine. And I am going to show you about what are the biggest advantage about the PO-TRY digital machine. And the number one is the Japan THK Ultra Quiet Guide Rate. And the number two is the write-in management system, and we also call it as the write-in circulation system. And it is more helpful to prevent the write-in setting and reduce noise. And the number three is the bigger print roller, and there are totally 3 adjustable levels. The number 4 is the 20-meter central shaft and the Japan NSK bearing, and which is more helpful to lead to a better printing appearance. And the number 5 is the integrative servo model, which is more helpful to strictly control the high mechanical precision printing. And the number 6 is the lacking ink alarming system, which is more helpful to protect the printer. So if you have any inquiry or if you have any interest in our product, please feel free to contact us. Yes, thank you.